All right, sweetheart, what should we cook today?
Let's make something with all these colors, Mommy.
These vegetables help us grow strong. We should always eat fruits, veggies, milk, eggs, and meat.
Look at him, he wants to cook too.
Together they cooked with love.
There you go, sweetie. Time to taste our creation. Here comes your turn, little one. Do you like it?
And in that magical kitchen, oh, love was the best ingredient.